them entering Shillong.
Tracking the country's performance with the implementation of the National Education Policy 3 years ago, academicians feel that the NEP 2020 instills among learners a deep-rooted pride in being Indian and developing knowledge, skills and values that make them truly global citizens. Academicians like Deputy Commissioner IC Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, Regional Office Shillong Aditya Prakash Singh, Principal KV EAC Upper Shillong Mon Bahadur Chetri, Vice Principal of KV Happy Valley K Ramesh and Principal JNV East Khasi Hills Neelam Sharma, among others, highlighted the transformative impact of the policy and spoke at length about the benefits educational institutions can derive from the progressive initiatives in alignment with the NEP 2020.